Hi lovelies, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making milk bread. But before we get started, if this is your first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified when I upload a new video, and to my returning subscribers a very big thank you. Next, I will start by proving my yeast, adding in some warm water into a bowl, then add in my yeast, give it a stir until it is well mixed, cover and set aside. For the dry ingredients, in a separate bowl, I added in some flour, some sugar, salt, and my homemade powdered milk. I went ahead and mixed everything together until they are well mixed. Once I'm done, I went ahead and added in 1/3 cup of hot water. Stir, then I added in the yeast mixture. Stir to combine. Please do not knead, okay? So here I added in some little warm water. Mix until a soft and sticky dough is formed. Once I'm done, I'm going ahead now to cover and let it settle for at least 20 minutes. Exactly 20 minutes now, I went ahead and opened it and added in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix until everything is well combined. So once that is done, I will cover it to rise until it is doubled in size for at least 1 hour. Exactly 1 hour now. Look at it, it has doubled in size. So now I sprinkle some flour on it, mix it so it returns back to its normal size. So I went ahead and sprinkled some flour on my work surface. Now transfer the dough and sprinkle some flour on top of it so it doesn't stick in my hand. Then gently press it all over to remove any air pockets. Roll the dough into a tight cylinder. Once I'm done rolling, pinch to seal the end. Look at it here, I'm done with the rolling, so I will place it into my greased pan. I greased my pan by rubbing in some butter. So look at how it looks like. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to double in size for about 45 minutes. You can cover it with your lid, but it is optional. Exactly 45 minutes now. Look at how beautiful it looks. So it has doubled in size. I will go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 35 minutes. 35 minutes later, and we are done baking our bread. Look at how beautiful it looks. So I went ahead to remove it out from the pan immediately, so it doesn't get wet with the heat, and allow it to cool down completely. The bread is done cooling down, so I went ahead and start slicing them, or you can leave it this way. You can be cutting it and be eating ahead. So I prefer slicing mine because of my kids. So guys, the bread tasted so super delicious. When I mean delicious, look at how soft, attractive, tantalizing, yummylicious this bread looks like. You can enjoy this bread with your hot chocolate, chilled drink, or eating this way or with your beans. You enjoy it in whichever way you love it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you will be trying now this your delicious recipe. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment. See you soon on my next video. Bye.